Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. A big shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, commented on my videos, and most of all, shared my videos. Big up on yourself. One love. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. Or when you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back so don't forget. Guys, please note that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing, right? A massive shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself. One love. So this is one of my very loyal clients from day one. Big up yourself, James. A lot of you might see him a lot on my Instagram, so you're familiar with his hair journey. So for those of you who have been following this client's hair journey, either on my YouTube or on my Instagram, you know that the hair growth is real and it is extraordinary indeed. For those of you who haven't seen any of the previous videos I posted with this client, I will leave the link below to his previous videos so you guys can go and check those out afterwards. Guys, you can now book a one-to-one consultation. If you need any hair care tips or advice, email specioushaircare@gmail.com. In this video, I will be designing a 2-braid hairstyle. This is just a freestyle, meaning that I am just going with the flow, right? In other words, I don't know what me I do, but just watch me flow with this. And if you like this video, please press like, cause I like it. Share it and comment your thoughts. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I will still like to hear your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. Up. Guys, please don't forget that I'll be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. On a better tune in, and support the thing. I don't know what the thing said. It said proper. So come and support the thing. And make sure to like and comment and do all of that, because all of that important.
That song is on the Samokan, speechless. Your style, London. Because a big man she want, she no want a little youth. Because a champion she want me, she no want about juice. Because a big man she want, she no want a little youth. Because a champion she want me, she no want about juice. Okay. Speechless. London. That song is on the Samokan, speechless. Your style, London, 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 London. Because a big man she want. She no want a little youth. Because a champion she want. She no want no bad juice. Because a big man she want. She no want a little youth. Because a champion she want. She no want no bad juice. Speechless. London, 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 London.
That song is on the
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!